Kaya ba ni SolidWorks ma-predict ang behavior ng independent material inside the revolving assembly through motion analysis? Let's find out. The researchers from have their ongoing project funded by the on smart post-harvest processing facility for cacao. Basically, kailangan nila ng 3D designer to make animations ng cacao machines nila. Remember that before natin ma-execute yung task, ay tinatanong natin palagi si client yung mga specific deliverables nila. Napakamaselan at time-consuming kasi ang paggawa ng 3D animations. Kaya nakikipag-communicate tayo through Zoom para mas malinaw at mas madali natin maintindihan ang concept ng machine. After the negotiation, the whole project team entrusted me to make a 3D animation on cacao roaster machine and the 3-in-1 cacao cracker, winnower, and huller machine. SolidWorks motion analysis can calculate and predict the behavior of the dried cacao beans inside the revolving roaster. Malaking tulong ito na malaman nila kaagad para kung ano pang pwedeng i-improve nila sa design before proceeding into fabrication. In short, to save time and lessen the expenses. Do you have projects similar to this? Just hit us with a message and we will see you there. This is Bayaw Drex. Hanggang sa muli.